Okay, here's a little video of Sugar 2's hull. On the bottom here, a few little scrapes, little spider crack there, little gelcoat crack, little scrape, nothing through the gelcoat. Back here, kind of your standard pressure point spider cracking where there's a little bit of foam underneath the cockpit. Just makes a hard point where you get a little bit of that cracking in the gel coat. It's not any cracking in the fiberglass underneath, it's just the gel coat surface. Back here it's just grunge. That starboard chine's in pretty good shape. A couple of old gel coat repairs here. Doesn't look like a fiberglass issue at all. And down in the dagger board, typical, we've got the little bit of the resin that flaked off there, and we just cover that back up with some thickened epoxy. But otherwise, this hull, 1980 hull, did some duty at the Lake Forest Yacht Club. Looks like it did some duty on the Lake Forest Yacht Club dock also. But other than that, pretty good shape. The top's got some of the half moon scratching from the boom, a little bit from the tiller. But we're gonna get her closed back up and on the way. So if y'all are interested, give us a holler.